Hello everyone, welcome to FarmPro, the ultimate software to automate multiple applications. Today, I'm gonna introduce and review about Device Dashboard, where you can control and manage devices. Open FarmPro software. This is where you can automate multiple accounts to run automation workflow. After the software opened, you can see on the top left section, there will have a device section. You can click to highlight all devices, or drag the mouse from the top to highlight all devices. You can see on the top we have Proxy Data button. This is where we can import proxy. The proxy format will be IP, port. After imported, we can click Check Proxy as well. Next is Function button. This is where we can connect Wi-Fi to all devices automatically. So you can input Wi-Fi name, and behind will be a password. The software will connect Wi-Fi for all devices. Next is Rename Devices. We can name the devices we want to run to manage easier. I will test on this device. Click to highlight device. Click Function, click Rename Devices. You can see the name of devices already changed. And one more thing, we can view devices screen by click to device icon on the right. We can control them like scroll tap button. Next, we can create device groups based on our specific needs. For instance, if you want to group devices running the TikTok app, or devices running the Instagram app, you would use this feature. Click to create device group on the top, name the group you want. Now, choose device you want to move group. I will move the device, just rename. Now, you can check the device group, so the devices already moved to a new group that we created. Finally, you can display information of device, like serial number, model. See you guys in next videos. Thank you guys for watching videos of FarmPro.